In this year 1912, we have those two nice little cars in front of a mechanic repairing the Zebre cars. On the right side, we have Z, the brand is Le Zebre, and on the left side, we have a nice yellow car, T, a Ford Model T. But why are they at the garage today? So Z is speaking to T. Hey, T, why are you at the garage? Well, do you see? I have lost my windshield. And you, Z, why are you at the garage? Well, as you can see, I am losing really easily my rear wheel, and they need to fix it. So, let's go inside the garage so that we can be repaired. Hey T, look at all those mechanics working on those Ford Model T and Le Zebre. It seems that they are working hard. Yes, I don't understand why so many are being repaired. The Ford Model T should be very reliable. Oh, I see a Le Zebre with a windshield that could fit my car. I'm going to steal it. You cannot do that. That's not very nice to steal somebody else's property. Yes, but I am a much bigger car, so I think I can afford to do it. You are going to see. Here we go. I knock it down the frame of the windshield. And now I am putting the windshield on my car. Yes, but look, it doesn't fit well. It's not in the right position. Let me try to make it vertical. Here we go. Now I have a very nice windshield. You cannot do that. It's not your windshield. It's my brother's car, Le Zebre. It's not yours. That's funny. And it shows that when you take somebody else's property and you steal it, it's not good, you know, it doesn't fit you. I think you are right. Thank you for teaching me this lesson.